converting the metric units of weight, kilograms and grams. In this video, we're going to look at how to convert from kilograms to grams and from grams to kilogram. To convert from kilograms to gram, you multiply, and to convert from grams to kilograms, you divide. Kilogram is way bigger than a gram because 1 kilogram equals to 1,000 grams. So let's get started. This is an acronym to help you remember the right operation to use. Best soccer mom, big unit to small unit, you multiply. And silly babies dancing, small unit to big unit, you divide. Okay, with our first example, how many grams can you find in 5 kilograms? The relationship between kilograms and grams is this: 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. And remember, the unit with 1 is the big unit. So are we moving from big to small or from small to big? From kilogram to gram, that's from big unit to small unit. And from big to small, best soccer mom, we multiply. 5 times, how many grams can you find in the kilogram? That's 1,000. 5 times 1,000 will give you 5,000. The number of grams you'll find in 5 kilograms right here. Okay, let's try another question out. How many kilograms will you find in 4,000 grams? How many kilograms are you going to find in 4,000 grams? What's the relationship between grams and kilograms again? 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Which unit is the big unit? Kilogram. The small unit? Grams. So go back to your question. Are you moving from a small unit to a big unit or from a big unit to a small unit? You're moving from a small unit, grams, to a big unit, kilograms. So remember, silly babies dancing, small to big, you divide. 4,000 divided by the number of grams in 1 kilogram, 1,000, will give you 4. So we have 4 kilograms in 4,000 grams. Now get your writing materials ready as you try out the next question by yourself. Is 95 kilograms greater than, less than, or equal to 950 grams? Pause the video and find out yourself. Welcome back. So let's see. Before you can compare these two measurements, they have to be in the same units. So you have to either change 95 kilograms to grams so that you can compare the two measures in the same unit, or you change 950 grams to kilograms so you can compare in the same units. Okay, let's change 95 kilograms to grams. So we'll have the two measures in grams. 95 kilograms will give us how many grams? From kilograms to grams, that is from big to small. So we'll multiply 95 by 1,000 to give us the number of grams in a kilogram, and that will give us 95,000 grams. So 95 kilograms is equal to 95,000 grams. Now let's compare 95,000 grams and 950 grams. Which is bigger? Definitely this. 95,000 grams is way bigger than 950 grams. So this is our answer. 95,000 kilograms is way greater than 950 grams. All right.